To effectively convey your data-driven narrative, consider these best practices. Know your audience. Tailor your story to your audience's knowledge and interest. Are they experts or novices in the subject matter? Use storytelling techniques. Incorporate storytelling elements like characters or data points, conflict or problems, and resolution or insights to make your data relatable and memorable. Focus on key insights. Highlight the most critical data points. Avoid overwhelming your audience with too much information. Simplify visuals. Keep your charts and graphs simple and uncluttered. Use clear labeling and ensure that the visuals reinforce your message. Provide context. Explain the why behind your data. What led to these findings? How do they fit into the bigger picture? Then engage emotions. Use visuals and narratives that evoke emotions. Emotionally resonant stories are more likely to be remembered. Be transparent. Clearly communicate the data sources, methodology, and any limitations. Build trust with your audience. Then practice rehearsal. Practice your presentation to ensure a smooth, confident delivery. Rehearsing also helps you anticipate and address questions. Iterate and refine. Gather feedback and continually improve your data storytelling skills. Every presentation is an opportunity to get better. Visual consistency. Maintain a consistent color palette, fonts, and style throughout your presentation for a polished and professional look. By following these best practices, you will be better equipped to craft compelling data stories that resonate with your audience and drive your message home effectively.